How to unlink Faceit account from Steam. The first things first is of course pull up any browser that you would like to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and there's no need for you to download or launch the Faceit program. You can definitely do this on a Faceit official website. Now on your browser, just go to Faceit and just choose on the first result that's going to be there on Google Chrome. Now, once you're here, make sure that you are fully logged into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is just to click on your user profile right here and go to account settings. Now, once you're in account settings, go to integrations, and these are going to be the social networks, game platforms, and other platforms that you can connect your Faceit account with. So since we're talking about this team right here, all you have to do to disconnect or unlink it if it is connected is there is gonna be a disconnect button that's gonna be there. So the reason why it's showing connect is because I haven't or I did not connect my Faceit account to Steam. So to unlink or to disconnect it, just click on that option right there and it will automatically be unlinked from Steam. So that's it. That's how you unlink your Faceit account from Steam.